Step into the 2006 Ford Escape. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power windows, MP3 player, aluminum wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power mirror, power outlet, CD player, keyless entry, and child safety locks. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.